Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to see the Wi-Fi password on the Windows 11. So the first thing that you would like to do, just go and open your PC that contains the Windows 11. And of course, if you're a Windows 10 user, you can just go and upgrade into Windows 11 now and for free through just your settings. Of course, you can even run the installation in the background of your PC if you don't want to or if you want to keep using your PC, sorry. In the meanwhile, of course, your PC might be a bit slower, but it's not going to be a big problem. And once the installation or the download is done, you'll be notified to restart or to reboot your PC. When you do that, you will find yourself with the Windows 11 ready to use. Of course, you'll even have a recovery point if you want to go back into your Windows 10. But once you get used to Windows 11, I bet you will not go back because it's much better in my opinion at least. So as we said, is we would like to see the Wi-Fi password on the Windows 11. So if you want to do that, we can just go and check it out in the network and sharing center. Of course, if you are using, that will be different between laptop user and desktop users. So of course, if you are like a laptop user, you can just go and open your settings. Of course, there is a shortcut for that. You can click at Windows I, and here you can just go into your network and internet. And for me, I'm using the internet through an Ethernet cable. So as you can see here, I'm not going to see anything, but for you, you would like just to go into the network and sharing center, and next to connections, you can just select your Wi-Fi network name and the Wi-Fi statute. Then select wireless properties, and of course in the network or in the wireless network properties, you can just right click on it and then go to priorities, select the security tab, then select the show characters checkbox, and your Wi-Fi network password is displayed will be displayed in your network security key box. Or if you want, you can even use the CMD option, in which you just go here and open the CMD. And of course, make sure to just type this NETSH space WLAN space show profile space name equal. Of course, here should be the Wi-Fi name, and no need to do this. Just type your Wi-Fi name here. Sorry, and just type your Wi-Fi name here. So let's say my one Wi-Fi name is test, and of course click at space, then key equals clear, and your Wi-Fi password should appear here. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.